How to deposit or withdraw on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to deposit or withdraw on Binance exchange. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to go and log in into your Binance application. Make sure that your account is verified. Now then, to begin with withdrawal or the deposit method, you just go to the wallet tab and then select spot. So here you have this option as deposit as well as withdraw. So select it accordingly. Let's go with the deposit. Select the asset that you wish to deposit and select the network type, all of that. Enter the exact amount that you wish to deposit and confirm it. You'll have successfully deposited into your Binance exchange. And at the same time, if you wish to go and withdraw it, then you need to exit out of the deposit section and go to withdraw. Enter or select the asset and you'll have successfully withdraw on Binance exchange. So that is how you could deposit or withdraw on Binance exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.